In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can change the battery in your Subaru Impreza key fob. This device here was used on Imprezas between 2012 and 2020, and it takes just one of these CR1620 batteries to run. If you want to pick one of these up, I will leave a link down in the description to get it on Amazon for just a couple bucks, probably the cheapest price out there, and it'll come right to your door, and then you can just follow along. So once you have your battery and a regular flathead screwdriver, we can get started. So the first step is to look at this key ring up here, and on the side there's a little indentation between the two halves of this device. We're going to insert the head of the screwdriver into that area and just twist, and the two halves of the device will come apart. Now you can go in that new little opening that you made, continue twisting until the back comes off easily. Set the back to the side, put your screwdriver down for now, and we're just going to dump out this component with the buttons on it. Inside here is actually the battery, and now we will turn our attention to these little kind of latches here that hold these two pieces of this device, this component, together. And what we're going to do is take the same flathead screwdriver and just put the corner of it under this little latch, and we're just kind of pushing it up a little bit. And on the first one, it won't feel like much happened, but you've actually just unlocked this. You've freed this piece of plastic from the, you see this little one in the center. We're just going to the next one now, and we're just pushing until it comes over that little piece that holds it in, if that makes sense. But you just continue the process, put the corner in, kind of push and pry, and you'll feel these two pieces actually start to come apart. And you can just finish with the fourth one here. And now with your fingers, it should come apart pretty easily. It's still stuck on this last one, so I'm going to try to just push that off. And there we go, we have it open now. Can set this part to the side. Using the same flathead screwdriver, and with this metal component facing down, we're going to come in on the top left side here. And again, using the corner of our flathead screwdriver, we will just get under the battery. Just go under and pry it up very gently, and it will fall out like that. This is our CR1620 battery. And again, if you want to get one of these, you don't need to go shopping around the department store. You can just pick one up online, and there will be a link in the description if you are interested. So take your 1620 battery, and when you're putting the new one in, make sure this positive side, the one that has the text on it, goes face down. So we're flipping it upside down and clicking it into place. All we need to do now is reattach everything. So just line this up, click it back together. Same thing here, make sure this component sits flush within the key itself, and then click the back piece of plastic back on. And you are all set. You are good to go. I hope that video helped you out, and if it did, feel free to let us know down in the comment section, or just by giving this video a like. And if you ever need help changing another battery in any of your key fobs for any make or model, check out the rest of our videos here on YouTube, or visit us at fobbattery.com.